We salute you now for outside the country people them. Another day inside PG News. As soon as Sabi, we get now 24 hours before we enter for this African Nations Championship. We go start for country now for inside Saturday number 16 day for December, and all things don't prepare for Yawin Day. As we already enter for we here inside Tori for this afternoon. We go take una enter for side where they call them say Maison de Combattant. Now for day where people the way they get authorized till where Queen Elisa go talk say accreditation. The day we go the talk Mununa Fotso when a minister for civic education today outside for Yawin Day. It desensitize people them say na shan where corona no get for jump enter for inside. Tori for this afternoon we go look as where the different team them where they get for be inside this competition today. Sabi say one of the stranger the way they for Cameroon for the first time since they voted like president. Na man where they call him say Giovanni Vincenzo Infantino, we sabi name like Gianni Infantino, president for FIFA. It already enter for country. 32 we go take una enter for quarter them waiting the pass for inside Douala here. Bine people them where they shidon for corner road sell and where they no respect order for council for Douala 3. They don't chakara that Bine plays them this afternoon. We go to show another chapter. Another motto they don't burn them now for place where they call them say Likumbatiko. We hear say they burn hate for some Gongoro where Ikari Mimbo. Now so chapter for this African Nations Championship. We go look waiting two way Corona get up for we this afternoon, and even newspaper them where they outside country people them big patok. It tell we say no matter how we broom it big, enough it ever sweep your house it clean. No matter how we broom it big, enough it ever sweep your house it clean. Big patok it come out now for Abiracho Emmanuel we in the look for Alakuma inside Bamenda Northwest region. We return back small time. As we will talk for now for we strong number them, Tori for this afternoon part 1, we go concentrate plenty for the African Nations Championship. We go start for Cameroon on Saturday. Sabisep said for that side for Yawin the Tori where the enter with EM, they try for tell we say some press conference it go happen where the president for CAF now, Constant Omari, it go the happen and now for day where they go officially put Issa Hayatou where we don't be like president for CAF like the honorary president for CAF just now, and that a press conference we go get a stranger to for day Gianni Infantino Giovanni Vincenzo Infantino we been at the president for FIFA, and with the years say the different team that for Yawin Day them too they go get their time for train this evening time for Ahmadou Ahidjo Sumo Field. But just now make we tell you now say for Yawin Day do already start for hot Tara is there for outside with minister for youth and civic education where they call him say minister for Mununa Fotso. So na say minister Mununa Fotso is there outside now for launch campaign where they call him say waiting shan where corona no go touch no man. Now the operation that way Mununa Fotso they do we hear say it the turn for different quarter them inside Yawin Day for sensitize people them for that side for Yawin Day. Say as well shan it don't come any side where they go particular for corner the field if they get the chance to look down for PCSF they get for cover their nose with face mask, and they get for sabi say waiting they go the turn with a hand sanitizer for their hand. So campaign as we talk just now it pass for Yawin Day, and minister Mununa Fotso it dey for before the campaign where they call and say waiting shan where corona no go disturb people them inside Yawin Day. As well minister Mununa Fotso it also shan without corona inside Douala here people they don't be confused. Now for Maison de Combattant where na the see so plenty people them where they chuk they come now for can't take their own authorized for do their own work where they get for do them for inside the competition for this side. So for Douala, and as we talk now plenty people them we get one the way they don't volunteer, one the way they give themselves say they go work for the period where Mandamba he go the pass for Douala. You get even uniform people them too, you get Tori people them, all them serious serious population where it dey for that side. So for Maison de Combattant, plenty people them they try for talk say this kind of thing. No be not today. They be even get for gift authorized for people them like they volunteer them. They be don't get for call them put them for one side. Uniform people them call them put them for one side. Tori people them when them go to follow up this Ndamba SSF, they for call them to put them for one side. They no go join people them for one place. So I saw the talk for that side. So for Maison de Combattant, now for they we volunteer them for this African Nations Championship for Douala side. They the one take their own badge. Uniform people them too. They did it for take their own badge. Now so to Tori people them they join enter. Just see the population we crowd for day. If you want for start counting how many people they wear face masks, you say go see say no be na all people then. So you see the crowd is plenty. So the talk just now for Maison de Combattant. Now for Bonanjo, where this place is there. And Sabi Seb say yesterday we small man Damba team Cameroon we ide so na them they happen this Ashan we go start on Saturday. Them say they be there for small Dongamen. Sabi say whenever this kind of big competition that they enter CAF, if they ever get time for she done with all the team them where they go to Shidon, where they go to knock Damba for inside the country beginning Saturday. So it be then an opportunity for CAF for talk for the coach and even player them waiting where they go the expect from the player. And waiting where they no one the player them for do and waiting be the new law where CAF it don't bring them for Sika this where they call them say Corona. Sabi say na 33 player them we all country then call them for Sika Corona we normal be get for being a 23 player them. So they be take time for explain for the player them all waiting they expect for them and waiting where they no one time say make this player them do as well this African Nations Championship it go start on Saturday and Samuel Eto'o it don't be na that man Samuel Eto'o FISSF, he don't be na the guy where they so in the ton for inside the camp for this African Nations Championship men them for inside with small team. Samuel Eto'o, he be there for that side. So for Olembe small picking fee yes. Now the annex for Olembe. Samuel Eto'o, he go meet up with this small picking man Damba team for we country as well they be the train for that side. Samuel Eto'o, he no go na for go show say he don't get money, he don't big. No, he go na for go talk for this small picking them say now their own time where they get for make their name them two people then sabi their name say ye like Samuel Eto'o he be then and know nothing before it can be something and he no be ever get that chance for play for before in Mami them or for before population for Cameroon for competition when a Cameroon says in the host time. So he don't talk for the boy them may they believe say them too they feel be like ye and may they believe too say them says they feel make Cameroon people them glad time with the Ndamba he go finish where they go keep the cup. So Samuel Eto'o he don't go meet up the boy then talk for them and it don't make them for understand say time now for them and now for them for make country flag is also remain for up after this competition it finish inside we country for number 7 day for February 2021 and Sabi say already after the magu way they be the make last now 25-year-old Cotton Sport for Garua player where they call him say Banga Benjamin na say way they so they don't choose him like captain for this we sumo picking man team where they go to play for this Ndamba way it go begin tomorrow. Sabi say Cameroon it go to play with Zimbabwe for the opening gando for that competition country people them for place where they call them say Ahmadu Ahidjo Stadium and concerning the team where Cameroon go play with Zimbabwe you go see say them too as where they land for country on Thursday one time they enter na for field they start for sweat small. Sabi say them too they be the take air for see as we in the air it day whether it hot or it cold for them. So Zimbabwe says they just do that small issue one time where they land the first one that way they make them since when they enter for inside Cameroon country people them and Sabi say the country too way it keep this cup where they win them for 2018 then they call them say Morocco. So the small picking Atlas Lion when a team for Morocco he named that they consult Atlas Lion for Morocco them says they don't enter for country they be one of the last country them where they be the enter for inside the country. So we'll go show now the photo them for Morocco where them say they don't come for inside country already. Sabi say they come now for come defend cup where they be win them for 2018 where now the last time we get photo for Morocco where they just enter country yesterday where now Thursday yes now them they keep the cup and they expect to say it is so as they come for Cameroon with the prepare wey they don't prepare for their country, and with the small number where they be get them to competition, they be get them for prepare for this African Nations Championship. Them two they go come, the cup where they be win them for 2018, they go carry them turn back for inside Morocco. And Sabi say Morocco, he go play now for Group C, where they go to play for Bepanda Omnisport Stadium inside Douala here. And as well talk for now, one of the biggest change away day for inside country just now, na Giovanni Vincenzo Infantino. Yes, Giovanni Vincenzo Infantino. Now they name that for the change away day for inside town. Now in that, na president the Oga Pata for on Damba them. Now they look out on Damba inside the whole world. They call the association say FIFA. Now them they look all the Damba the way they pass. So Giovanni Vincenzo Infantino, when a president for FIFA, he don't make the first worker inside Cameroon since when they voted like president. As we are talking for now, he go be one of the surprise guests for the press conference where Constant Omari, he go the happen for Yaoundé this afternoon, and now for that too they go put Issa Hayatou official like honorary president for CAF for that side, so for Yaoundé. So he go be with we for look the opening Damba for Cameroon and Zimbabwe on Saturday, and already he go be too for press conference as well Tori the enter for we EM for inside Yaoundé. We go come out chapter for that one. We talk about other country them too the day for country already. Country people them na them that already we get Namibia to them too they be land for country yesterday. Namibia wanna sabi to say them too they play now for that side, so for Limbe. Namibia it don't already enter for inside country as we wanna say another country we dey for inside a country already as we would go the continue for give an update. Now this country they call them say Guinea Conakry. Yes, Guinea Conakry themselves they already land for country, and we be catch them right for inside aeroplane as well they be the land for country on Thursday. One time where they land for Douala. Now so too they take roads. Now for Limbe we be follow them so they will reach for that side. So for Limbe they should down for one of the hotel them for side for Limbe. So Guinea Conakry it don't already go for a base. We now for Limbe wanna sabi say Guinea Conakry he go play with team the like Zambia, Tanzania for that side, so for inside Omnisport Stadium for Ngeme. Make we see them as well they land to for Limbe side. Sabi say after they land for come up for aeroplane, we follow them reach for the hotel where they go down. So now Guinea Conakry team to that we it already take a place for that side, so for Fini Hotel as we Tori enter for inside we here. And for that side, so for Boya, country people them, Zambia, now one of the country the way they be already before inside Cameroon since, and Sabi say they become for can play for that small four country competition in Cameroon. It be the happen Zambia, it get a first training session for that side for Boya. It be dinner for Thursday, according to Toriwe enter for we here. And Zambia, it be the train for Moliko Omnisport Stadium. Country people them now for the way Zambia, where they be don't enter for country since. They be the train, and Sabi say after we Zambia if you need train for Onto Moliko Omnisport Stadium, they be get the same kind of meeting way people them for CAF the whole with people the way they call them say team them. Sabi say it been a chapter for try for look inside with they come. Well, a photo for Zambia no day make we continue for talk on top the Democratic Republic of Congo too. Sabi say na one of the country to way he enter for country last minute where he be dinner on Thursday as we are to read the enter for inside we here. Well, now supporter them for Democratic Republic for Congo where they show we as well be the answer the player them they show we now the supporter them. Make we talk, we deal with the supporter them as well now they see them Sabi say their country it be enter for inside Douala here it be there now on Wednesday on Thursday. Yes, on Thursday where they enter for country, and as well as Sabi Democratic Republic of Congo it be one of the country where it be the first country for win this African Nations Championship. The time where they be just come up for launch and just for Sabi they did for the same group with another Congo where they call them say Congo Brazzaville. Them they go remain inside Douala here as we Tori enter for inside we here. And just for sabi country people them, as well people them, we dey prepare for this African Nations Championship. After we'll be talk chapter for boarding for motor them for place where they call them say Middle Farms Field. Now for inside Likumba for Tiko this early morning time where this motor Ngongoro where it carry Mimbo them for some company where they sell Mimbo and make Mimbo. They burn this motor this early morning time around 4 o'clock for that side. So for Likumba for inside Tiko subdivision, and with the here say even uniform people them they shoot at least 2 of the boy them where they be born the motor according to Toriwe enter for we here. One of the die body it they with them for inside for place where they day. Another die body they be abandoned and for road as we Toriwe enter for we here. So now motor that where they born them this early morning time around 4 o'clock for that side. So for inside Lekumbatiko. Now just number 2 motor inside 48 hours for Fako division where they born them as we man Damba team 2 it dey prepare for that side. We go remain for place where they call them say Fako division. Now mile 4 Bonadikombo that we do enter for day. Waiting be the problem for these people that way they she done for inside mile 4 Bonadikombo. Their cry it then say waiting. Current is there for ground, yes. Rope is there for ground, country people them, and that rope them. Now current is there for inside. Where the YSAD people them for mile 14 or mile 4 Bonadikombo inside Limbe subdivision for that side. So for Fako division for Limbe, them say they don't cry this thing plenty for company where they look on light. But so today the company it never do no nothing. This rope one I see I'm so sleep for ground, it no day na empty. Current the pass and the people they don't tire for fine stick for turn up the rope for up and then the beg just now company where the local light for that side. So for mile 4 Bonadikombo for say may they come do something for say can say when the thing it go make mistake it carry one person in head go with maybe that time the company will go local light it go talk say them no be sabi say na the condition this way they and this rope as soon as they see am na danger whether na for big man or whether na for a small picking them. So we too we don't see am and we thought say make we talk make the company where the local light for that side. So for inside Limbe may they try for do something. We sabi say the company where the local light for country it get office for all corner them for inside country. So this one for mile 4 Bonadikombo the population the beg na beg say may they can do something for sick as in a danger where then they see am so all day rope for down and current where it dey for inside nothing where the country says help and the people them they the beg for that side. And we go take una enter for market from Dokpasi for Douala here. Country people them. It dey for under Douala 3 subdivision. This morning time, Binet people them say they be surprised. Particular one the way they don't decide for Tronhate. She done na for corner road the sell instead for go buy some place for inside market for sell. Douala 3 council it come for can chakara them. This early morning time, plenty of them too they need to confuse. Say they so they respect the commander way the council if we don't give them say they know she done for corner but they don't understand and Sabi say this place where they she done according to the mayor for Douala 3 now open disorder they cause for these people them so and people there they she done inside Dokpasi they so plenty people there they be get their small business place so they be don't make am for corner roads they only come it up and this morning time where they don't chakara out in and all man it come now for come pick own small firewood for take and go house whether na for go cook for day. No ask me. You see, I'm saying even for place where grinding machine they used to be, where they be B house where they no be get for B house so they chakara, they come out grinding machine for outside. So it be then an operation chakara for that side and operation fight against urban disorder for inside place where they call them saying Dokpasi market as we Tori enter for inside we here. But Sabi say even people the way they she done for corner this market, them too they see their own place. Some they mark S say they go come back and broke arm. Someone they already broke arm as we Tori enter for we here and just for Sabi according to mayor since if you don't ask them say waiting say may they come out but they be the Tronhate so he don't come broke arm and he say one place for need so that people they pass make we hear wait to pass yourself with the Toshi he talk for Ashley say microphone.
Aranta. I don't know till they define them. La limite that we don't see for barley. Na prayer me I don't begin am the beton say last logo part put it my whole way did it. The sume poto. I don't be for this play. No, they never give me no book. Some people no day. And they be move me for Dakar and they be give me papier. For you they never give me no paper. I become look saying they don't put croix rouge for my maison. And once and they say c'est le marché. Marché de alors c'est comme là c'est I think in one moment the time hope to play when they go put me. Because you see they are fatigued.
Yes, Powerway, they so they broken and Sabi said that broken enough for fee for pass fine. If these other people they no be there, country people them they broken enough for fee pass fine. So if you see say a commissioner or for the 3rd district police station, even the one for 8th district, 1 district police station, or they be there and they be get serious support for these people there. They call them say mobile intervention police people them. Me too for Commander Mefire, or them say they be there for say any person where he want to try for make like say he want to hate one time they go just hold leave tell he say make it calm down for say waiting for say they do not say they want to sabi they need for this chakara way be pass not just for say they want open roads and they want to say make space it dey for road way people them they don't come make and so if you see Commander Mefire necessary be there in a boy them for see say waiting make no person he no just try make like say he want attack the people them where they be the chakara that be place them where they build them and they be even prepare self car with tear gas where it show say if any man if for make like say he want then the tear gas it for surely come up for outside. So security it be the strong for that side as well the chakara being people them place inside Ndokpasi market. We go take una enter now so for North region for that side so for Gadwa na 400 bags them for cement. We custom people them under Halcomi 3. They don't see them. We hear say this Ngongoro one at the CM so it be carry the bag cement them. SSF it be the one enter for inside Gadwa we no take the normal route. One time Commander Mofo Jude we night the lookout Halcomi 3 for that side so for Gadwa and even go right from Gaundere. He cash am he keep am for one side. Sabi say when they cash am so no be na say na cement no be na fine cement na better cement but na just say they be one thief enter for inside town where they no respect the custom people them. So as well they cash am automatic they get for can pay small money inside Ngomna them bank then they go left them they go as well it don't ever happen with other people them seeing them. And for that side so for Marwa na sick people them where they get kidney problem now them say where they be come out for outside they make waka for vex inside place where they call them say Marwa. Waiting be the cry for these people them. They say they get one machine for lookout plenty of them. And for sick I say the machine self it do some kind of style. The people they get for common Marwa go for Garwa where it cost around 5,000. Make you no count the taxi money where they pay. Make you no count where they go chop. The people they talk say the money over plenty for them. So now why that way they turn back they don't make the waka 3 moon ago. After 3 moon no nothing ever change. But that's why they can make work again. Dr. Gerard Fetze will be the big man inside Marwa Regional Hospital. He says it take time for talk for the people them say it dey so they struggle for fix that their place where they look at them and it no easy too for them. But may they tie hard small. This man they try for explain the software where they get them for common Marwa go Garwa 2,000 or 5,000. Then when they reach for day if they want chop anything na at least 2,000 where it is start cost whether na fish or na far away they want chop and so they eat beg say they don't suffer and they don't tire. So after Bamenda people them na kidney people them sick people them for inside Marwa they don't vex. I will pray I will hope say minister for sick people Manauda Malashim they follow up just now make we try for see way to corona be talk for we this afternoon according to the latest number then we come out John Hopkins University today number 15 day for January total case for corona people them inside the whole world now 93,129,104 people them where they don't catch the sick 51,386,084 people they don't well and 1,994,440 people them that already die inside the whole world. Latest number them from John Hopkins University for inside Nigeria as well on Thursday Nigeria Buhari own country the Terry say they catch 1,000 1,479 new case for corona sick people them for Thursday. Total number just now, it don't climb to 105,478. One day they don't welcome up for sick beds. 83,830 people them. One day they don't die. 1,405 people them. As soon as here. South Africa also go enter for this small time country people them. They say now 15 or 18,503 people them with the test them with corona on Thursday. Doctor already test 7 million plus people them with the sick, and inside that number they don't test 1 million plus. They don't already catch the sick. Now so to 1 million plus people they don't well for South Africa. 35,852 people they don't die since corona enter inside South Africa. Make we take one strong number them for inside the newspaper them. We day for we before this afternoon. Waiting newspaper then to then talk. Horizon the try for talk. Say waiting. Christian Cardinal to me. It look. Say maybe Army if he take over for inside country according to he. If he read territory consign and Kunkuma where SSF he don't do it in. He don't get more than 3 years for that side. So for inside Bamenda, if you read to read them for that side. Plus even chapter for 204 school picking them where they don't test them with corona inside Douala as we Horizon the talk for we. Another newspaper now the info way don't come out after some plenty time. It tell we say Southwest Regional Council big people themselves they don't take office for talk say they go do better work. If you read the work way mini parts it get for all the whole region for we country for the info way it dey outside too today. Voice weekend it concentrate plenty now for waiting inside the voice weekend they tell we GBHS Mvomeka Nalova Lionga, it don't do Changut with better school for that side. So from Kunkuma a village, you go read waiting to S Amberman where they don't catch him. Christian Cardinal to me, he don't talk concerning uniform people then for takeover inside we country. We go finish with the post weekend away they tell we 2021 budget for Cameroon. Waiting where they go use the money do for this 2021. If you read them, Mayor Two-way he talk for DO after we lock Bine plays them. You go read them for the post weekend. Guidance post, we'll go finish with him. It tell with this afternoon, 17. Inside the guidance post, they try for talk as we national man Damba team, the small one, they go start for do some waka where they no even sabi as the waka go end. From Saturday, sabi session, it start. Read to a concern governor where it don't cancel tax on top team the way they make them inside Cameroon. You feel for read that chapter and CDC work people them too. It they so they don't talk say another waka for vex. It go happen small time for seeker money where they never pay them for them. Plenty thing them. If you read them for day. Sabi, country people them, Saturday for 12:30, 1:30. PG News debate, it they come. We go look back the thing that we'll do inside this week, thing the way they happen inside the week. And I want to say big thank you for Francis Boyum and Cedric Shuna. Them two, they put me camera for my face this afternoon. Malice and Nadine, them said they be there for one side. Any I want be, on all I'm tight, sote for Saturday.